Hello HotPatterns friends, it's Trudy here from HotPatterns, coming to you from a very post-Hurricane Ian Sarasota, so lots of cleanup to do, you can see in my yard. And I'm here to tell you really what we're doing in October. But I should preface that by saying we had lots of plans for what we're going to do in September, so many plans, so many awesome things. But then stuff happened. The Queen died. I know, it shouldn't matter, but it did. We had some major technical issues with the website, which are now fixed, thank goodness. And then, did I mention the hurricane? Yeah, we had a hurricane. So all the lovely stuff I'd planned to do for you for September kind of got shoved to one side. So now we're going to try it again. So here's what we've got coming for you in October. We have a classic HP pattern. We have a new pattern, our Paladin waistcoat. We have some tutorials and possibly, if the universe kind of behaves itself, possibly a sample capsule wardrobe. So that's what we got. New classic, tutorials, new pattern, possibly a capsule. So yeah, stick around for October. Let's hope we get it all done.